Hi gorgeous! Take a look at her root. Her natural salt and pepper has grown about 2 inches and her last bleaching session was about 2 years ago. I can see kind of red and dark. Of course, to using K18 hair mist before we start the bleach process, as you watching me, you don't need to rinse it out, just wait 4 minutes. It helps prevent new damage during and after the service. So I'm ready to move on to bleaching. We are mixing Pharmacy Color B Diamond Powder mixed with 25 to 30 volume developers. Look at this. The bleachy consistency should be like thicker pancake batter for even applications. So let's go. So she wants smoky silver and ashy dark gray look with a natural blend from her dark root, which is a little bit salt and pepper, her dark root, to ashy gray tone. So her growing out will be smoother and low maintenance too. So we will global bleach to lightening technique to achieve the transformations. So do you know what is a global bleach? This means bleaching the entirety of her hair, like all in one. And we take slice section as you watch me, about ½ inches, and apply the bleach ½ inch from the root to the ends evenly. And since this is an off scalp application, we can go slightly higher than 20 volume, like 25 or 30 volume, because we are not applying bleach directly on the scalp. So it's not gonna be burning her scalp or skin at all. So don't worry about it, just keep doing, but a little bit speed up and apply same kind of like penetration and apply the same spot directly. And then using comb, make sure using comb a little bit between the penetration and application, so that will be helpful to like penetration really well and saturation really well too. So we will repeat this process all over her hair and check every section is right. I didn't missing any like hairline too. So wrap the towel over the foil to help retain the heat, and which can speed up the processing time. And we definitely gonna using heater for 45 minutes at least. Yeah, my assistants help me a lot. I really appreciate her helping. So after 45 minutes, we will check the lightening process to ensure even lifting. Look at this lightening. I already feel so much better and excited. It looks like a yellow base, but we might need a second round bleaching process because it could have turned out more orangey and warmer than we expected. This orange hair color is after the first bleach process, so we definitely needed to bleach it one more time to reach yellow blonde level in order to showing ash tone like this. So it's time for toning. We are using 2 different color bowls. First, 1 shadow root, 1 smoky silver, and ashy gray tone. For the root, Pravana 6AA, dark intense ashy blonde, plus 5AA, light intense ash brown, 1:1 ratio with a 6 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, Pravana 8AA, light intense ashy blonde, and smoky silver express toner, 1:1 ratio with a 0 volume developer. We already bleached her hair like a lot, so we don't really need any lifting developer. We're gonna only do the deposit, so we're gonna using 6 volume or lower than 6 volume, which is 0 volume developer. So it's not gonna be damage your hair. Alright? So I love to share how to apply hair color for colormelt. So please stay with me. That will be quick motion. So hope you guys can catch something from shadowing me. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. I also would love to share the tip of how to apply shadow root, especially root area, because most the difficult part. Apply dark root hair color about 1 inch or ½ inch will be perfect, very tiny bit. And make sure to using generous amount of the product. This helps create a small section of the dark roots. To create a soft shadow root, we definitely place foils between sections. Foil help prevent the dark and light color from blending too much. During the process, the color may look darker than expected, but don't worry, it will turn out gorgeous. Let's apply K18 Hair Pro Mask to repair, smoother, and strengthen the hair. Just squeeze a tiny bit and then apply by hands will be good, or using brush and then brush out very nicely and gently. And using Aranco Chiffon Styling Mousse, this is one of my favorite products to making so much big volume. Look at this gorgeous dark ashy gray and smoky silver with a beach wave. And this is before dark brown with the patches. Oh my god, it was so dark. After 6 hours with the Sohea, completely transformed. I'm super happy to see the result and make her hair look beautiful. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon.